Oh, it looked like he dropped the shotgun. I'll give him mine so I can finish this amazing clip. Go!